Thank you for your interest in the NEC Unified Communications Suite. Today I will show you how quick and easy call handling can be with the UC Suite. With the UC Suite launched, you can easily see all of your coworkers, their status, and who is available. I can see who has the application open if they are in color, and who doesn't if they are in black and white. If they are in color, you can click the talk bubble to initiate chat. I can also see at a glance who is in the office, out of the office, in a meeting, or on vacation. If their phone is black, they are idle and they are not on the phone. If the phone is green, they are on the phone. If the phone has become an arrow, their calls are forwarded. And if they have a red circle with a slash through it, they are in Do Not Disturb. When a call comes in, I have the option to answer or send the call to voicemail. Once I answer, I have all the call handling options as I do on my phone, such as hold, transfer, or ending a call. To transfer a call, I can just click my coworker's phone icon and select their extension, voicemail, or an alternate phone number. Conference calling is just a click of a few buttons. By clicking more options, I can click Add Call, add the party I want to conference call, and when they are ready, I click the Join button and connect all parties. Call history can be viewed, and you can return calls with just a click of a button. You can sort it by date, phone number, or direction of call. You can even export it to a CSV file. If you are a call center, agents have the ability to log in and out of queues with just a click of a button. They can even monitor other agents, and they can monitor all their queues. Thank you for watching.